Robert, it's me, RM again, back again with another vlog. For today's video, it's Saturday right now here, and time check is 2 p.m. Yeah, and plan ko maglabas right now, but before tayo aalis, I need to eat first. Yeah. I'm going to eat pizza right now. Anyway, this is what I ate last night. I just heat it up in the oven. Well, this is so yummy. If you guys know, pizza is one of my favorites. I love pizza so much, for real. Woo! I'm so full. I think it's time for we to go. Okay, let's go. Habang magbabike, mag-headset tayo para ma-feel natin yung moment. Cheers.
Boya!
Super fresh talaga ng hangin here. Love it. Anyways, galing na ako doon. Pero, in-expect ko na wala nang masyadong tao. Pero, ganun pa rin. Kaya, let's find another place.
A few moments later.
Gusto ko munang tumambay here because napakasarap talaga ng hangin. Alam nyo ba guys, sa Pilipinas, takot talaga akong maarawan or whatever. Like, oh my God, yung Kojic, sayang yung lotion ko, yung Kojic. Pero dito, alam nyo, napakaganda talaga ng araw dito. Alam mo yun, kahit sobrang init, pero ang lamig pa rin ng hangin. I mean, sobrang lamig pa din. Kaya ayun, hindi na ako takot maarawan. Sobrang sarap ng araw, sobrang sarap ng hangin. I mean, sobrang fresh ng lahat. Literal talaga na masasabi mong, huwag mo na tayong umuwi. I love the vibe here. I love everything here. You know? Woo! So yan, hindi pa ako nakapunta doon. Gusto ko siyang puntahan right now. Kaya, let's go. Ay, napaka-fresh ng hangin. Tingnan natin kung anong meron doon. Babalik din tayo later kasi 40% na lang yung aking cellphone. Kaya, yeah, puntahan muna natin yung doon. Let's go! Mag-uwi na tayo guys kasi kailangan ko ng data right now. Woo! Meron naman akong balance sa SIM card ko pero hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya i-unli. So yun, gusto ko nang umuwi kasi I need data for today. Nakabalik na ako sa aking kwarto. Woo! So, let's just sit here at magpahangin. For how many years wala akong peace of mind. So, ayun, dito ko lang natagpuan sa Netherlands. As in, sobrang peaceful dito. So, this time, I just eat pancit canton with egg. So, it's always my favorite food anytime, anywhere. Yeah, pancit canton is life. Anyway, patapos na po yung episode na pinanood ko. Then, yung another episode is bukas naman ulit. Naka-feel na ako ng antok. Kaya, I'm going to end my video here. And anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, please follow my Instagram account for more updates every day. So, ayan. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Ciao!